Good morning, students. Start your day with a beautiful smile. In the previous video, we have learned about adding single digit numbers. In this session, we are going to learn about adding two digit numbers. Before I continue to explain about addition, let us learn about two digit numbers. Numbers from 10 to 99 are called two digit numbers. These numbers have both ones and tens in them. For example, number 10 contains only one ten. Number 11 contains one ten and one one. Number 12 contains one ten and two ones. We shall learn the place value with the help of an abacus. Here, to the left side of the image, arrow points out to the letter O, which denotes the ones position. And to the right side of the image, arrow points out to the letter T, which denotes the tens position. And in this figure, we have only one bead in the tens position. This denotes the number 10. Let us consider another example. In this figure, in the tens position, there are three beads, and in the ones position, we have two beads. 3 tens plus 2 ones is 32. Next, addition of two digit numbers without carrying. Let us consider this example. In the first box, we have 16 roses. Arrange the given number into their respective columns. Place 6 under ones and 1 under tens column. And in the next box, we have 13 sunflowers. Place 3 under ones and 1 under tens column. Add both the numbers. Add ones column first. In the ones column, first step is identify the biggest number. Here, the biggest number is 6. Place 6 in your mind and show the lesser number in your fingers. And we count like this. After 6, 7, 8, 9. Hence, 6 plus 3 is 9. Write 9 under ones column. Now, we move to add the numbers in the tens column. 1 plus 1 is 2. Write 2 under the tens column. Therefore, 16 plus 13 is equal to 29. Let us consider another example. In the first box, we have 12 lollipops, and in the second box, we have 10 candies. After arranging the given numbers into their respective columns, add the ones column first. 2 plus 0 is 2. Write 2 under ones column. Now we move to add the numbers in the tens column. 1 plus 1 is 2. Write 2 under the tens column. Therefore, 12 plus 10 is equal to 22. Now we move to the next level of adding two digit numbers with carrying. Add 28 and 13. First step is arrange the given numbers into their respective columns. Ones under ones and tens under tens. After arranging the given numbers into their respective columns, add ones column first. In the first column. Here the biggest number is 8. Place 8 in your mind and 3 fingers up. After 8, 9, 10, 11. Therefore, 8 plus 3 is 11. We cannot write 11 under one's column. We write one's number of the 11 under one's column and tens number of the 11. We carry it to the top of the tens column. Now we move to add the numbers in the tens column. 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 1, which is the carryover, is 4. Write 4 under tens column. Therefore, 28 plus 13 is equal to 41. Now, let us consider another example. Add 39 and 23. First step is arrange the given numbers into their respective columns. Ones under ones and tens under tens. Add ones column first. In the ones column, identify the biggest number. The biggest number here is 9. Place 9 in your mind and 3 fingers up. After 9, 10, 11, 12. Therefore, 9 plus 3 is 12. We cannot write 12 under one's column. We write one's number of the 12 under ones and carry the tens number of the 12 to the top of the tens column. Now we move to add the numbers in the tens column. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 1, which is the carryover, is 6. Write 6 under tens column. Therefore, 39 plus 23 is equal to 62. Now, we'll move to the next level of adding two-digit numbers of 3 rows without carrying. Add 24, 30 and 13. First step is arrange the given numbers into their respective columns. Ones under ones and tens under tens. Add ones column first. 4 plus 0 plus 3 is 7. Write 7 under one's column. Now we move to add the numbers in the tens column. 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. Write 4 under tens column. Therefore, 24 plus 10 plus 13 is equal to 47. Now let us consider another example. Add 33, 11 and 13. First step is arrange the given numbers into their respective columns. Ones under ones and tens under tens. Add ones column first. 3 plus 1 plus 3 is 7. Write 7 under ones column. Now we move to add the numbers in the tens column. 3 plus 1 plus 1 is 5. Write 5 under tens column. Therefore, 33 plus 11 plus 13 is equal to 57. Numbers from 100 to 999 are called three-digit numbers. These numbers have hundreds, tens, and ones in them. Let us understand this statement. Now consider this figure. We have already learned about ones and tens place value. Here, the arrow points out to the letter H, which denotes the hundreds place value. And there are 4 beats in the hundreds position and 3 beats in the tens position and 2 beats in the ones position. Therefore, this denotes the number 432. Now, we will be learning about adding 3-digit numbers without carrying. Add 124 and 343. Step 1. Arrange the given numbers into their respective columns. Ones under ones, tens under tens, and hundreds under hundreds. After arranging the given numbers into their respective columns, add ones column first. In the ones column, identify the greater number. Here, the biggest number is 4. 4 in the mind and show the lesser number on your fingers. Here, the lesser number is 3. And we count like this. After 4, 5, 6, 7. Hence, 4 plus 3 is 7. Write 7 under ones column. Now we move to add the numbers in the tens column. Similarly, identify the biggest number in the tens column. Here the biggest number is 4. 4 in the mind and show the lesser number on your fingers, which is 2. And we count like this. After 4, 5, 6. Therefore, 2 plus 4 is 6. Write 6 under tens column. Now we move to add the numbers in the hundreds column. 1 plus 3 is 4. Write 4 under the hundreds column. Therefore, 124 plus 343 is equal to 467. Now we'll be moving to the next level of adding 3-digit numbers with carrying. Add 284 and 128. Arrange the given numbers into their respective columns, ones under ones, tens under tens, and hundreds under hundreds. After arranging the given numbers, add ones column first. Here, the biggest number is 8. Place 8 in your mind. And next, the smaller number here is 4. Show 4 on your fingers. And we count like this. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Hence, 4 plus 8 is 12. We cannot write 12 under ones column. We write ones number of the 12 under ones column and carry the tens number of the 12 to the top of the tens column. Now we move to add the numbers in the tens column. Here the biggest number is 8. Place 8 in your mind and two fingers up. After 8, 9, 10. Hence 8 plus 2 is 10 plus 1, which is the carryover. 10 plus 1 is 11. We cannot write 11 under tens column. We write tens number of the 11 under tens column and carry the hundreds number of the 11 to the top of the hundreds column. Now we move to add the numbers in the hundreds column. 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 1, which is the carryover, is 4. Write 4 under hundreds column. Therefore, 284 plus 128 is equal to 412. In this session, we have learned about adding two-digit and three-digit numbers with and without carrying. A small activity for you all. Complete the worksheets which we are showing you right now on the screen. For any queries, please speak to your parents. With pleasure, they will attend your queries. Now it's time to take your notebooks and practice.